Welcome back to Blushes Seasons, the series where every season gets a little pinker and a little cuter. Today, we're hiking. I kind of feel like those documentary things.
Like those found footage things?
Yeah, no. Whoa. Oh. We're not going there, buddy.
Sorry, my bad.
We're hiking to the biggest waterfall in the world.
Tallest on Earth.
Tallest, yeah. It'll be fun. Hey guys, so if you notice, this video is only 3 minutes long. This will be my shortest Blush and Seasons video ever, but I just wanted to say I was super busy in April. May, I already have a lot of stuff planned, especially in the summertime, so I'm very excited to showcase that. But anyways, I had a good time on my hike, so I'm still gonna post this video, I don't care. Anyways, bye!